Welcome again to another event for the Wingman Garage Community Car Build. I see some familiar faces and I see a new face. Drew's here. Everybody say hi to Drew. Hi, Drew. Drew actually is partnered on this project with us. He runs Redbeard Welds. Redbeard Welder. He did the downpipe portion of the exhaust today. You guys will see it when you get under here. What was on the car was disgusting. So I ripped that all off so we didn't have to deal with it today, because we, unlike event 2 where the coilovers defeated us, we will be successful today. That's right, so today we're gonna be doing intake and exhaust on the Eclipse. I've got a full catback system, all stainless, and a nice intake system we're gonna put on the car. Like I said, I did rip off the old exhaust so we don't have to deal with it. I expect today to go pretty smoothly. Hopefully that's the case. All right. Also, cool news, Spectrum News is going to be here in about 15-20 minutes. So if you guys are okay being in the background on some TV, you guys good with that? Everybody's smiling. Charles, you're not smiling, buddy. All right, Charles, we'll figure it out. Get over here. I know you want to do this.
Yeah.
What's the? Here's gasket. Okay.
What's the diameter of these?
This is going to be a 2-inch exhaust, or 2.5? 2.5 inch. Yeah, 2.5 inch. I'm going to give you some bolts.
I'll cut them up for you.
So this goes like this.
Make it so it's only one level.
It's this way.
Yeah, one level.
Yeah. So that you're going to have to hold this end up. So I got to make sure something over there. Neil, you work on that.
Get that in there?
Yeah. There you go. Perfect. Yeah, just hold it.
There's another bolt.
Does that hang if you let it go?
It's not gonna fall, is it?
There you go. Okay. That's okay. It's supposed to. Try to put one in first. Oh, that's all right.
You really working on cars? You don't drop the bolt.
How many men does it take? That's Wingman Garage for you.
Oh, there we go. Favorite?
All right, Neil. Once he's got that. I got it. They're pretty fun. Yeah. No, it's just all right, everybody, we're going to bring it down. We're going to fire it up for the first time with the new exhaust. All right.
Vehicles and that.
And then we'll put the new one in. One thing I want you all to be careful of while you're unbolting stuff is this is the mass airflow sensor. Just be careful with that, because if you break it, you have to buy a new one. Okay.
Not my money.
Drew, come on, buddy. I'll let you guys get to it. Airbox is coming out. We got some nice shiny new stuff to go in. Okay? Let's do it.
We'll just loosen up the pipe or the air line back there. Okay, you're gonna do it.
There you go. Yeah, I was just gonna say pull that top off.
Yeah.
And then you could probably just slide it out the front. There you go. There you go. Good job, Charles.
Come on.
There's probably a lip on it. Here,
That's what I'm saying.
Let me see that. If you loosen that one up, then it should
And
go
just take
out.
the whole thing off. Yeah, I can do that.
There you go. Yeah, pop it up all. There you go. And then
Let's do it that way.
get that off there. Perfect. Good job, guys. Way to go. Pop those off.
A couple weeks.
Old plastic doesn't want
That's not promising.
Other bolt now.
Sometimes.
You can reach this other bolt now.
There There we go.
Tab down. Ooh, maybe it's tab down.
It is tabbed down. I told you it was tabbed down. Improvise, adapt, and overcome. Guys, did you tighten it?
I can't turn.
Okay. It's tight. It's already tight.
It's rust tight.
Do you guys all know each other before? You guys have met some of you by here?
I know someone through here. I know 4 of you. I was gonna say, I think I've met everyone of you.
Actually, no, everyone through here.
Yeah, let's get that in there.
Eric just doesn't like to know people.
Sit in.
So what's your role?
I'm the observer, I guess. I actually was the detailing business.
I know.
You only see this from Mr. The Wingman.
Mr. The Wingman.
And
Please don't call me that.
basically
Guys, please don't. Why not? It's Sir Wingman for you guys.
Hashtag Mr. The Wingman.
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver, which one?
Flathead, something head.
Thank you, buddy.
Glad to help.
Also, you're gonna need some small supplies.
That's alright.
Okay, we probably should trim the size too.
So how would you like to kink it?
Let's kink it in as many spots as possible. Wow, that's like perfect fit. Start the car. That's fine. There we go. Look at that. That's perfect. Perfect. Did you hear the click? Not at all. No, it sounded good on that. Boom.
A little bit larger.
Maybe it's good. There we go.
I think it works, guys.
I think it works.
I think it works.
I like it. Yeah. It's something I would do on mine.
Yeah. Got good suction there. We're good.
Is it going to sound different with this?
Should. Barry, it's your car. You can. Oh, it's hot. You can win this car. Woo! Anyway, thank you guys for being here today. There was a lot going on with Taylor and Spectrum One, so I really appreciate you guys for helping out and kind of making it all work as we were getting everything done. So, just a quick recap: exhaust is on, intake is on, even though we had to, modify it a little bit, but it works. It works. I will be getting some other parts for it and putting that, like we need no 2 sensor. But and as you guys can see from last time, I did get the coilovers finished up and the car is pretty level. I do have a little bit more adjusting to do in the front, but she is sitting much nicer than she was before. Thank you again for coming. One more round of applause for everybody. Good job. To check the schedule, because some of those events actually might flip-flop a little bit, but the dates will stay the same, but the event, actually what we do might flip-flop. Grab some raffle tickets online, let your friends know, grab some swag up front, and thanks for everything, guys. See you next time. Thanks, Brandon. Thank you all for watching the recap video for event 3 on the community car build. It went really well. I mean, we had a little issue with getting the math to fit the kit I bought, but it all works. Everything's tight, everything's clean, everything looks good. Exhaust sounds pretty good. I don't know how it's gonna sound on camera, but in person it sounds better than we all thought. So next event is May 17th. We're gonna be doing brakes and some wheels. The wheels are already on the car, but we're gonna do a little bit more with them, clean them up a little bit. And don't forget to let your friends know about the community car build. You can buy your raffle tickets to win the car at wingmangarage.com. And it's really coming along. I mean, the car looks great, and I can't wait to see what it looks like after the next few events. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.